Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're going to be mounting this 82-inch Q8F 2018 model over the fireplace here at a home in McKinney. We're going to be using the Mantel mount MM700, which is a hydraulic manual pull-down mount, so that he can get a better viewing height and better experience. I'll upload the video after we complete the work. Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. We have the Samsung Q series, the Q8 82-inch mounted over a fireplace here with the Sonos beam. And you can see this is a very high viewing area, so we put on a mantle mount for the customer that you can pull down like this to give you a better viewing angle. Has a little rotation to it as well to help with glare, depending on your seating area. And if you can show it behind the mount to give the viewers an idea of what the hydraulic system looks like. And then we surge protect it. You have to leave the wires a little bit loose so that whenever the mount moves, you don't yank the wires out.
Can I show them?
And put it up. Just like that. Just a couple fingers.
And
you're back in the fixed
you can
position.
leave it midway as well.
But yeah, everything turned out great. This is in McKinney, Texas. We do service the entire Dallas area. If you guys would like to purchase the TV, soundbar, or our services, just give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.